Welcome to the Fusion training course. This video will show you how to create a project and upload designs that are used in the exercises in this training. So to start, you'll want to click this link or you can copy the link and then paste it into an internet browser. This link takes you to the location where you can download the data and designs that are required for the training. So click download. The process will start downloading. Once the files are ready, you want to unzip those to a location that you'll remember. You'll need some of these projects in future exercises in this training. All right, once you have the files local, what we'll do here is create a new project and then upload the Fusion designs to Fusion360. So I'll expand the data panel. The data panel lists projects that you have access to. Once you select a project, it lists all the data and designs that are stored in that project. I want to click on Project Details to launch A360 in a browser. Once in A360, we're going to create a new project. I'm going to give it a name. We can call it Fusion Training or whatever makes sense to you. The purpose is a description so that if you add people to this project, they know what's contained in there. And then you can enter email addresses to add contributors to the project. So if you have other people that are working on this training with you, you can enter their email here, and that gives them access to the same project data. Once we're set, click Create. This creates the project, sends emails to anyone you've added as a contributor, and then takes you to that project in A360. And at this point, there's no data in there, so let's go back to Fusion and upload some files. I'll click Refresh just to force a refresh of the data. Then I'll go to my project list and select Fusion Training. And now what we want to do is start uploading designs. So I can click the Upload button. I'm going to go back to where I stored those files that we downloaded. And we just want the Fusion designs, so I'm going to sort by kind or type, select all my Fusion designs, and drag and drop into that dialog. I'll click Upload, and that starts the process. And I'm going to wait a few seconds and make sure that the upload actually starts. What we should see is some of the progress meters here start ticking away. You can see that here in this first design. And you can let this process run and continue working in Fusion. So I'll close the dialog and I can monitor the progress down in the lower left. Some of the exercises are going to have you create a brand new design. To do that, you'll go to the File pull-down and select New Design. This creates an untitled design and gives you a blank canvas to start working on. And to save this, I'm going to just create a box so that I have something to save. So I'll select the plane to sketch on, pick my points, and we'll accept 10 for the height. And now that I've made changes, I have something to save, so I can go and click the Save icon. I'll give this design a name, so we'll call this My First Box. I'll select the project to upload this to. Click Save. And you'll see in the data panel, My First Box shows up. The spinning wheel is the thumbnail in the upload process going. You'll also see here that some of my uploaded designs are starting to show up in my data panel as well. All right, so I'm going to give this a few minutes to process. Depending on your internet speed, that time will change. Now you can see the list of designs that I've uploaded. You'll also see My First Box, which is the file we created. In the exercises, to access these designs, you'll double-click or you can right-click and select Open. That loads the design in Fusion and you can start working there. All right, so that's how you create a project, upload designs, create a new design. And this should give you a good start to working on the exercises that you'll see in this training class.